Kids choice, kids choice, kids choice. Today, boys and girls, you get to choose the book that you want to read. This can be a book that you've read 100 times because it's your favorite, or it can be a book that you've never read before. It can be a book on Epic or Bookflix, or a book that you already have at home. Okay? No matter what book you decide to read, you are then going to choose 3 of these boxes for an activity or a question, okay? As you are choosing which box you want to answer your question for, I want you to be aware of the genre of the text that you have chosen. So, for example, this question says, how did the characters change in the story? Now, if you read a nonfiction text, then that is not going to be a question that you would be able to answer, because in nonfiction text, there are no characters. There may be people that you are learning about, but they're not characters. So be mindful of which boxes you are choosing based on the genre of your text, okay? After you've done that, you are going to learn all about contractions, okay? So with contractions, you have 2 words, word 1, word 2, and you put them together with an apostrophe, okay? So with contractions, the first word stays the same. The second word, part of that word is taken out and replaced with an apostrophe, and then you put them together. So let's go ahead and look at these charts. Now, in your packet, you may have noticed that there was a small mistake. This says did not, and the contraction that they had listed was don't. That's actually incorrect. So if you see that, if you have that packet in front of you, I want you to just cross that out and write the word didn't, okay? Because we know with these contractions, our first word stays the same. So when I looked at this, I realized, that was not the correct contraction. If it had said do not, then don't would have been the correct contraction, okay? But did not. So here we have the same word, the whole first word stays the same. We have did, but then when we look at not, we take that O out and replace it with an apostrophe. So when we have contractions made with the word not, like did not, could not, or is not, you are going to put those words together, but take out that O and replace it with the apostrophe, okay? Then we have contractions made with the word is, like the words she is gets changed into she's, or he is gets changed into he's. So what letter is being taken out there? And it's being replaced with an apostrophe. That's right, it is the I. So the apostrophe replaces the I. For the last one, we have contractions with the words made with will. So he will or they will, okay? For the other 2, you would just take out one letter, the O or the I. But for this, we are taking off the W and the I and will. So we keep the first word, take off the W-I, replace it with contraction, and he will turns into heal, and they will turns into they'll. Okay, so here is a little song that's going to help you remember what contractions are and how we use them. So it goes along to the tune of London Bridges. You know the song, London Bridges falling down, so on. So I want you to go ahead and sing along with me as I sing this song. So it goes, I'm the first word, don't change me, don't change me, don't change me. I'm the first word, don't change me, just let me be. When you change the second word, second word, second word. When you change the second word, a shorter word you'll see. Certain letters are taken out, taken out, taken out. Certain letters are taken out, one word will remain. Apostrophe will fill that space, fill that space, fill that space. Apostrophe will fill that space. The rest will stay the same. Okay, so that is what you are going to do. I want you to take a look at the packet and notice that there are words that you now need to, there are 2 words that you need to form into a contraction. Best of luck. I know you've got this.